Hey guys, welcome back. So today I will be showing you a fresh method in making money online. I just discovered 5 different websites where we can earn money by just watching videos. That's right, we're only gonna watch videos. Watching videos is one of the things that we do always every single day. We watch videos on YouTube, we watch videos on Facebook, on Twitter, even on TikTok. Especially on TikTok. Alright, now we're not gonna earn money by watching videos on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube, but these websites, you can watch videos on these websites which are short videos, and then just by watching them, you get paid. All you have to do is stay on their platform for 30 seconds or a minute. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Mr. Mac Money. And if you have been watching my videos for quite a while now, you already know what I'm about to say next. Guys, I want you to stick with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. Because if you do miss out on an important detail, even just one slight detail, then you might end up not earning anything at all because you might do it incorrectly. And we don't want that. So what I need you to do is sit back, relax, and wait until this video ends. Because after this video ends, you can now start earning money online. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Now, as I've told you guys, I am gonna show you 5 different websites, right? So right now, this is the first website. And I don't want you to skip any part because I will be revealing the name of this website somewhere in this video and you don't wanna miss that. So right here, you can see that you can earn cash online by viewing websites, completing surveys, and watching videos. Now, there are over 20,000 payments sent all over the world. And there have been over 700,000 members on this website ever since 2007. Now right here, earn some extra cash or advertise your site to over 700,000 members. There's a video attached right here and you can watch this video if you want to learn more about this website. Now as we scroll down a bit, you can see here that you can refer friends. You can earn 15% commission from your referrals and their referrals. You can view ads. You can get paid to view websites and explore the internet. You can watch videos. Now this is our target. This is our favorite right here, okay? Earn money watching videos provided by the offer walls. And then right here, we have paid surveys. If you like answering surveys, if you like to fill out things and stuff, then you can use this method right here. Complete online surveys and tasks in exchange for real cash. This one right here, promote your business. Promote your business to over 700,000 members. They have delivered over 75 million ad views to date. Now this one right here, promoting their business, we're not gonna do that, okay? Because this is for people who wants to advertise their business. So they go to this website, ask help from this website to advertise their business or their products. And the best part right here, get paid. Get paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. There are over 20,000 payments processed to date. Alright, now of course, in order to get started, we have to sign up for an account. So what you'll need to do is click on this sign up now button right here, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can enter your basic demographic details. So we have here, you have to enter your email address, confirm your email address, add in your password, confirm your password right here, add your full name, your username, your gender, your date of birth, and select your country. As you can see, this is available worldwide, so you can choose whatever country you come from. How did you hear about this website? Now you can just leave it blank, or you can just put it here that you learned it from Mr. Mac Money on YouTube. And then click on I'm not a robot, and then after that, click on register. Once you click on register, it means that you have agreed and you have understood the privacy and terms and conditions of this website, and that you also agree to receive emails in order to benefit from using this website, which you can opt out at any time. Now, once you're done signing up for a free account, log into your account and then you'll be able to choose a video you want to watch. Now, once you pick a video, you'll be redirected to this page right here. It'll look something like this. For example, this video. How to cook steak perfectly every time. Now, as you can see right here, this is a 4-minute long video. But what I love about this method is that we only need to watch the video for only 30 seconds up to a minute. The longer you watch the video, the more you're gonna make money. So today I'm going to show you bonus tips on how to earn money even more. If you're enjoying the video so far and if you like it, go ahead and smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back to the tips. So what you're gonna do is when you've opened a video like this, I want you to add more tabs, more videos to watch at the same time. So first you have to click play and then hit mute. Do that with the rest of the videos. This way, you can play multiple videos at the same time without needing to listen to each and every one of them. Now, the next thing I want you to do is click on this settings button right here and change the playback speed to 2. By doing this, you're doubling the speed. So instead of watching a minute-long video, all you have to do is watch a 30-second video if you set the playback speed to 2. Now, the next tip I'm gonna give you is that turn the quality to 144p. Do this especially if you're only using mobile data. Also, this loads the video faster, so this means that you can open more tabs at the same time. What I also do is that I don't only play the videos on my laptop or on my computer, but I also play them on my mobile phone. The more devices you use, the more videos you play, the more money you will earn. Alright, now I'm gonna reveal the name of this website, and this is ucubes.com. Again, this is ucubes.com. Now that we're done with that, let's proceed to the next website. And the next website is this one, boxinside.com. Get paid every 10 seconds. At Box Inside, you get paid for just browsing their advertisers' websites. You can cash out instantly. And the best part, you can cash out at only $2. Now, as a member, you can earn by simply viewing advertisements that they display, which means you only have to watch the videos for 10 seconds and then you're gonna earn money. This website has a lot of payment methods. They have Payza, Advance Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, Xmo, Perfect Money, Neteller, Skrill, Bitcoin, and more. So what you'll have to do is click on this register button at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you have to fill in basic demographic information about yourself. And once you're done with that, you can then log into this website and start making money as you watch videos for at least 10 seconds. For our third website, we have fusioncash.net. Now this works the same. Now what I love about this is that you get a $5 sign-up bonus. All you have to do is just confirm your email address and complete a brief survey. You can see right here that you can earn money by watching videos, doing tasks, trying out mobile apps, playing games, referring friends, and more. Again, all you have to do is create an account, and in order to do that, click on this $5 sign-up bonus button. And then a pop-up page will show up like this, and then you have to enter your username, email, password, confirm your password, and add in your zip code. After that, register. Now before we proceed to the next website, I want you guys to comment down below where you come from so that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Now let's go back. The next website is probably familiar to you already. This one is Irisu.com. In Irisu, you earn free gift cards and cash. Irisu has been featured on The Crazy Coupon Lady, Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and The Wall Street Journal, so you really don't have to worry about this being legit. Now, these are the 3 easy steps in order to earn money with Irisu.com. First of all, of course, join Irisu. Score free cash or gift cards just by completing easy tasks. Bring along your friends and family to earn even faster. Second, earn points. Share your opinions, play the hottest games, and watch entertaining videos. Everything you do earns points. And for our third and final step, choose your rewards. Get paid how you want. They send the rewards weekly. Select from the biggest brands online today like Amazon, or turn those points into PayPal cash. And now for our final website. This is actually a mobile application. This is AppNana.com. AppNana, get any paid app for free. Now this just works the same with the other websites. All you have to do is just watch videos. The great part about this is that this is available on your mobile device. So if you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for AppNana. It'll look like this. And if you're using an Apple device, you can go over to the Apple App Store and download it. It looks like this on the Apple App Store. Now, if you have any trust issues with all these websites, you can go over to trustpilot.com and check out their ratings. So those are the 5 different websites that'll help you make money online by just watching videos. And that's it! If you like this video and if you learned something, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Also, don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have comments, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!